Okay, so one of the biggest things that's happening today, something we've been so excited for. I can't believe I'm sharing this on YouTube. Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Wear Fam. It feels it feels good to be vlogging. I don't know how to say it. Yesterday was a really weird day for me. I've been using my platform, especially like Instagram, to share as many COVID-based resources as I can. And I put out like a little ticker thing that asked all of you guys, should I continue sharing content as usual? Is it like I'm distracting myself with work as and when I can? And I acknowledge that I'm very grateful to have that privilege and the position. And I asked you guys what you thought about it, and so many of you said that my vlogs are something you come back to. They're just a nice way, good time pass, and they're short and sweet. And I realized, oh my god, I haven't vlogged in the past week or so. So here I am, starting my Friday on this lovely note to kick off this vlog. This is a relatively late start to the vlog though, because it's like 10:30. But because a bunch of things happened yesterday, one of them included one of our neighbor's son passing away, which was really sad. I didn't get sleep properly in the night, and I woke up late and I missed my workout, and I'm not shooting today just because I'm not in the frame of mind to film. And with Mumbai being in a partial lockdown of a sense, a lot of our couriers are stuck, and a lot of the things I want to film haven't even reached us yet. So it's a mix of just a whole lot of weird things in my head, and I think I see it as a sign from like God to just slow down and be there for you guys as much as possible. So today I'm going to take you with me through hopefully a productive day from a sense of I want to take some time to meditate, or I want to take some time to just do a little cardio session up at the terrace. I want to take time to just read a little bit, do things for me. Of course, I do have a lot of work, non-shoot related work that I need to complete because I have a couple of contracts that need to go out and stuff like that. Things I will share with you in good time. But I'm looking forward to taking you with me through this day. Let's go. For today's nashta, we have upma. Sorry, I'm halfway through the bowl and then I realized I hadn't vlogged it, with chutney. Jerry and I are both having the same nashta. Hi, boo boo.
Hello.
Okay, so I don't know if this is too much information, but I like to cut my nails once every, like my toenails once every 2-3 weeks. And today is one of those days. I don't like my toenails becoming long at all, contrary to my hand nails, like my hath ki nails. Ugh, that sounds so weird, hand nails. My toenails, I like to keep super short. So I don't know if this is TMI, but I'm about to sit and cut my toenails. Okay, so just wanted to come on here and share something that I actually don't land up talking about a lot. I shared my breakfast with you guys earlier today, and I realized that a lot of you are bound to ask me this question. So I'm just going to be honest and come out and answer it before you ask it to me in the comments. Ramzan is going on right now, and some of you might be wondering how come I'm not fasting. So I used to fast every single day during Ramzan all the way till age 18 or 19. When I was a child, I started trying to keep my rosas at around like age 5ish maybe. And of course, like as I grew older, I started doing like the whole month. But around the age of 18-19, I developed certain health concerns that I'm not fully comfortable talking about on camera. But I do have certain health concerns that can't have me not eating for long hours. Like that's why even when I do intermittent fasting, for example, I need to keep having water, or I need to keep having green tea because I need that energy. Just to give you an idea, it's like related to like my blood sugar levels and such. So I also am not like the most religious person in the world, so I don't want to make it sound like, oh, I'm like dying to keep them. It's a combination of both the things. I try to keep a few rosas here and there whenever it's a relatively relaxed day, or it's a day where I think I will be able to manage physically also, very importantly. So just want to throw that out there. I know a lot of you tend to ask me about, a lot of people tend to ask a lot of people about religious beliefs. I think in India it's a very common thing to talk about it. Not something I'm a fan of, because I feel like religion and your religiousness and your spirituality, which I see as two separate things, are a very personal thing. You don't have to go around expressing to people how you choose to practice whatever you choose to practice, but just putting it out there because I get this question fairly often, and at least this is like an idea as to where I am for you guys. Okay, so one of the biggest things that's happening today, something we've been so excited for, I don't know how much I can share right now, but what we have over here is a particular contract that Jerry and I have been working on for a really long time, and we're finally in that place. I'm holding it upside down, okay, now let's see that. We're finally in that place today where we're about to sign this contract that has been a long time in the making. So I'm so glad that I was vlogging today and that this is happening today, and now that it's here, should we just go ahead and sign it?
Let's dive right into it.
Okay. Update on my day. It is around 4 p.m. I have finished 5 conference calls at this point. I still have 2 or 3 more to go. I think 2 more to go. It's turning out to be a really hectic day, and I can feel my back hurting because I've been like sitting in one place all day. And it's not very helpful that I like to sit on the floor and work, which is really weird. I know sleeping on the floor is supposed to be great for your back, but I don't know about sitting on the floor and working. That's because my table here is always just so messy. I just made this little card thingy, and I have my photo paper over here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit print. It is one of my friends' birthday tomorrow. We're all turning 30 this year. Oh my god, huge landmark here for all of us, and it's obviously kind of sad that we can't celebrate, but it's okay in the larger scheme of things. That seems like a really small and stupid thing, but I'm trying to do whatever I can for my friends, and I want to cheer her up with a little birthday gift. And I just kind of threw a whole bunch of things that I really like in here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit print on this so that it is ready to go. Okay, there's some gadbad that's happened. I think the printer also took in the lower paper. Oh god, I hope that the print comes out okay. Okay, so this is what happened. This paper got stuck to the back of this photo paper, but that's okay. It's not looking bad, I guess. Pair thode se cut gaye hain, which have come here, but I can make do with that. Going to place this inside so she knows who it's from. Otherwise, she'll wonder who the hell is randomly sending her a dabba. And yeah, gonna send this. I love doing like these little things, you guys. Taking a little break from all of the nails and everything. I told you I would make time for myself today, so I've just changed into some workout gear. I'm wearing these amazing leggings that I actually received in PR from Uniqlo, along with this sports bra I bought online. I can link this stuff in for you guys if you want. Not sponsored, obviously, but I'm gonna go up the terrace and do some walking. Everything behind me is a mess. Please ignore.
2 hours later.
Walked on the terrace for 1.5 hours. Sweaty, exhausted, stinking, but I'm so glad I did this. I need to go to the terrace more often to do these walks. I need to stop waiting for the gyms to open. Okay, I'm gonna go take a hair bath because I'm sweating. So I have taken my shower and I'm just feeling really good right now. I typically don't take a shower in the evenings because I don't want to go to bed with even like a little bit of damp hair, because I pick up a cold like this, and with COVID these days my head will go spinning in all of these crazy directions that I don't want to tempt it into going. You guys recently in one of my recent videos, I don't remember which one, asked me to share with you what I do to like unwind on a relatively like chill evening day / weekly basis. Now I love, today is Friday night and I wanted to do a couple of things. Since I'm vlogging, I thought I would show it to you guys. I love wearing a foot mask. Before I sat down here on the couch, I went and checked for my foot masks and I am out of stock. Boom. So I need to go and stock up on that. So tell me in the comments if you guys are interested in knowing how foot masks work. I will make sure to include it in some vlog somewhere or the other, if so, because I found that they work really fantastically for me. Why is my nose bothering me? Okay, second thing is that I love getting a nice hair oil massage. You know that if it was up to me, I would get a hair oil massage 2 to 3 times a week, so long as it worked out with my shower schedule. I also noticed that the first thing I actually do after I get done with any kind of a day is take my bra off. I have a funny story to share with you over here, and this is something I'm experiencing today, which is why I'm sharing it with you. And you told me this kind of oversharing is welcome. Okay, so I'm going to tell you this. I've been to a gynac only once in my life, and I can't believe I'm sharing this on YouTube. I feel like ridiculous. So I've been to a gynecologist only once in my entire life. This was when I was about 26, so like 3 years ago. And it was because I got really worried. I'm like a complete psycho. When I feel symptoms of something, I panic and I run to the doctor. I started feeling a weird pain in my chest, like almost like a lumpy kind of pain in my chest, and I obviously panicked, and I went to the gynecologist, and the gynecologist asked me, are you expecting your period, or like do you have history of breast cancer in your family, are you worried that you're pregnant and stuff like that. Jerry and I had been married for like a year at this point, and I was like literally not 2 of them, but I am gonna get my period in the next 2-3 days. My period is usually pretty much on time for me. So she just looked at me confused, and she was like, well, you're gonna get your period, so you're experiencing a little bit of soreness. But it was the first time that had ever happened to me. So like, for me, in my experience, this is something that started happening to me like 25, 26 onwards. So it's something that now when it happens every few months, I kind of am used to it. In addition to which, I do acknowledge that even though I'm thin framed, I have like a bigger chest size, like a cup size. So I tend to feel heavy bogged down very easily sometimes. So like when I'm in sports bras, when I'm in any bra all day, when I take it off, that instant like that oh yay feeling really kicks in. I don't like sleeping with my bra on, by the way. So it's just a personal preference. You can do whatever you like. I have this thing over here which I can definitely show you, which is what I do at the end of a really long day. I especially like to keep this handy when I'm like finishing off a really hectic shoot day. Today for me has been like admin day, but I've been hunched on my shoulders for so long, and then I worked out and all of that. What I have over here is this thing called Breeze from Carmesi. I received this in PR at some point last year, but I became a fan and started to purchase this fairly often. This is an all natural blend roll-on. I'll show you what it looks like. It is a roll-on. It's called Breeze, in case I didn't mention that already. And it's a roll-on, so it's just really nice to use, and it has a superbly calming, cooling effect on your skin. If you are like heavy chested, or if you are just someone who's not heavy chested also, but like your bra lines bug you, the tightness that you feel over there bugs you, this is something that you will definitely find very, very helpful. The reason I said that I keep this at hand after like a long shoot day is because I don't know if you figured this out, but I'll end up switching between 2 to 3 bras on a shoot day. Like if you need a strapless bra, or you need a regular bra, and then if I'm working out, then the sports bra. And again, because I'm slightly bigger chested, I feel that that weight on me. I don't know if you can relate. This is something you can use where your straps go on. You can use it under the back strap, which is like where your hooks are, or just the strap at large. You can also apply this underneath your breasts where the wire sits. It just really like eases out stressed skin so nicely. You kind of just literally do what I'm doing, apply it, leave it like for like 30 seconds if you can, and it dries down, and you just feel that cooling effect. It's a product that I've grown to really rely on. And the fragrance is really nice and mild. It has like an almost florally fragrance, if I can describe it like that, mixed with a little eucalyptusy vibe. I don't know if I'm describing the notes correctly, but it has that very pleasant spa kind of feeling that I personally like. If you are looking for something like this for the days when you also have your bra lines biting into you, or just every day if you're someone who at the end of the day also sleeps without your bra, this is something that I would highly recommend. I cannot believe I'm putting this on cam, but I promised you guys I would show you what I do to de-stress after like a nice long day. So this is something that I find really nice and cooling. I like the effect of it. You guys have also heard me talk about Carmesi as a brand earlier. I have tried their pads as well. They are a brand that I'm associated with, and I like being associated with them because they're a very strongly women-run brand and they make great products. So I am going to go ahead and link this baby in for you. Highly recommending that you check it out. If you feel any kind of a tight, itchy or an uncomfortable feeling, this will help soothe that out, de-stress it. You can wear this any time of the day. You can slip this in your purse, especially in the summer right now. Like that coolness feeling is like sinking in over here because it's been like 30-ish something seconds, and I can feel it just kind of like cooling down. It's almost like that beautiful icy effect without really being an icy effect, if you know what I mean. What I'm gonna go do now is that my hair has come to this like semi-dampish space. I'm just gonna go and open out the knots and all. If you want to know in detail what I do to my hair, I'm gonna link another video in here for you guys, as well as down below in the info box, where I've done a proper hair care routine post shower. And in fact, there is a shower routine also on my channel, which is pretty much on point. It's something I do all the time. What I want to do now is kick back, watch some Netflix, sit with Jerry, maybe play some Ludo. That would be nice. And I'm gonna come back to you guys in a little bit and share with you what I'm having for dinner. Okay, I completely forgot to vlog, my bad. Watching Queen of the South and having dal gosh, of which Parokhala has completely overserved me. Hi Parokhala. I kept telling her come karo, and she kept insisting that I need to eat more in life. And her and I were sitting and talking about everything under the sun. हम क्या बात कर रहे थे? दुनिया भर की चीजों की बात कर रहे थे. And I forgot to vlog. So this is like kind of like just playing at the back, but it's a conversational evening here with Dagosh. What did you say?
This ate a lot.
So you can't lie down on your tummy. Calm now.
I'll be like a beached whale.
You will be like a beached whale. Will you close this vlog for me and say bye-bye for me?
Bye-bye. Please like, share, subscribe and turn those bell notifications on. Like ting.
Guys,
Ting.
tell him not to vlog.
Ting.
He's not vlogging only. Jerry, you keep saying you'll vlog. Major upgrade coming up because girl is about to change up her vlogging camera. Because right now I'm vlogging from the phone, but I need like a good vlogging camera. Once we get that vlogging camera, will you at least start vlogging thodu?
Maybe.
You keep saying you vlog and you never do, and then I get comments and you don't listen. Such a cute smile you have.
Really?
Little cutie. Cutie. Okay, now say bye properly. I'm putting a secret code in this video. The secret code is he's a shy boy.
I'm a shy boy.
And if you
Weekend was star boy, I'm shy boy.
joke tha,
हाँ था तो.
I don't like joke.
I like you.
You love me. I love you guys. See you in the next one.